Hello and welcome back to La Forêt French class. Today we are going to learn the conjugations of two very important verbs in French, that is être and avoir in present tense. The verb être means to be in French. Its English equivalent is am, is, are. Être is an irregular auxiliary verb in French and is heavily used in day-to-day conversations. So now we'll start conjugating the verb être in present tense. So as it is an irregular verb, you have to memorize the conjugations by heart. So let's start. I am is je suis. You are is tu es. He is il est. She is elle est. We are nous sommes. You are vous êtes. They are ils sont, elles sont. So now that we have done the conjugations of the verb être in present tense, let's practice a few sentences. So the first sentence is Je suis étudiante. It means I am a student. The next sentence is Elle est belle. It means she is beautiful. Next sentence is Tu es mon ami. It means you are my friend. As you can see, all of these sentences are using the conjugations of the être verb in present tense. Great! So now that we have done the conjugations of the verb être in present tense, let's move on to our next verb of the day, that is avoir. Avoir in French means to have. It is also an irregular auxiliary verb in French and is heavily used in day-to-day conversations again. Its English equivalent is has or have. So let's start conjugating the verb avoir in present tense. So starting, j'ai means I have, tu as means you have, il a means he has, elle a means she has, nous avons, it means we have, vous avez, it means you have, ils ont, elles ont, it means they have. So now that we have done the conjugations of the verb avoir, let's practice some examples. So our first sentence is J'ai un stylo. It means I have a pen. The next sentence is Nous avons trois livres. It means we have 3 books. The third sentence is Il a un chien, which means he has a dog. Further, moving on, there are a few phrases or situations in French where the verb avoir is used, unlike in English. So if a person wants to say his or her age, will use the verb avoir. So I am 20 years old in French would be j'ai 20 ans. J'ai 20 ans. Similarly, if I want to express hunger or thirst, then I'll say j'ai faim, which means I'm hungry. Il a soif. This sentence means he is thirsty. So as I mentioned, these are a few conditions or situations where the verb avoir is also used in French. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video soon. Au revoir, merci.